Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to convert a electronic candle to a rechargeable type electronic candle. We often use this type of candle in different types of celebration, but the main drawbacks of this electronic candle is that this type of candle use a normal button cell, and this button cell does not last for long and you have to replace it with new cell. So it is better to convert the entire candle into a rechargeable type. So in this video I will show you how I have converted the normal electronic candle to a rechargeable electronic candle. So I will not waste your time. Let's start the project.
So friends, you must require this following item: one charging kit, one small battery rechargeable type, and a electronic candle. This electronic candle is basically operated with the help of battery, but I will convert it to rechargeable type. So let first open the back part. So now I will open it. You can see it here. So after dismantling the unit, I will install the rechargeable battery and the charging unit in this module and make this candle a rechargeable type. So the installation of the charging kit and the battery is done. You can see it here. Only the connection part is pending. So let's connect and complete it. So now I have completed the connection. You can see it here. The battery is connected with the charging unit, and with the help of power switch you can put it on or off. Here is the charging port and the off on switch. So let's check it is working or not. So you can see it here, it is working. It is looking amazing. You can see it here. So after installation of the cover, the total build part is complete, and you can see it here. And you can use this candle in coming celebrations and different type of celebrations, and no need to change battery. You can just charge it with the help of mobile charger, and it is ready to reuse again.
So friend, I think all of you have liked this video. So please subscribe S&D Innovations and help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.